Bollywood isn't just about films, it's also home to some of the most iconic real-life love stories. From Deepika and Ranveer's passionate romance to Virat and Anushka's dreamy fairy tale, Alia and Ranbir's modern love story, Saif and Kareena's royal affair, and Vicky and Katrina's whirlwind wedding, Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh's love story is nothing short of a Bollywood fairy tale. Sparks flew on the sets of Goliyon Ki Raslila Ramlila, and what started as on-screen chemistry soon turned into a real-life romance. Despite keeping their relationship private for years, their love only grew stronger. After 6 years of dating, they tied the knot in a breathtaking wedding at Lake Como in 2018, celebrating their love with family, friends, and millions of fans. In 2024, their love story reached a new chapter with the arrival of their daughter, making their bond even more special. Their journey is proof that true love always finds its way. Imagine meeting someone on a work project, and before you know it, they become the love of your life. That's exactly how Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma's story began in 2013 during a commercial shoot. From playful banter to standing by each other through thick and thin, their love only grew stronger. In 2017, they escaped to Italy for a dreamy, intimate wedding, proving that true love doesn't need an audience. Through all the highs and lows of cricket and cinema, they've remained each other's biggest cheerleaders. A love story straight out of a Bollywood script. From secret crushes to sharing screen space, Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt first met on a film set, but destiny had bigger plans. After keeping their relationship private, they finally made it official in 2018. Through ups and downs, they stood by each other, proving that love is about patience and understanding. In 2022, they had a beautiful, intimate wedding at their Mumbai home, celebrating with close family and friends. And just months later, their happiness doubled with the arrival of their daughter, making their love story even more magical. A raw Bollywood love story, Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor's love story is one of Bollywood's most iconic. It all began on the sets of their first movie, Sparks Flew, and despite their age gap and different backgrounds, love won. Kareena, at the peak of her career, took a bold step, choosing love over industry norms. After dating for 5 years, they had a royal wedding in 2012, proving that fairy tales do exist. Through every phase of life, they've stood by each other, balancing love, career, and family. And now, as doting parents to their adorable sons, their story continues to inspire. Shahid, a Bollywood heartthrob, and Meera, a simple Delhi girl with no ties to the industry, were a fresh example of how love can bloom outside the usual glamour. What started as a traditional setup soon turned into a deep, modern romance as they found a connection built on respect, trust, and shared values. Their love story became even more special with the birth of their 2 children, making them a picture of family bliss. Through it all, they've managed to stay grounded, supporting each other through every step of their journey. From an arranged marriage to a love that continues to grow, Shahid and Meera show us that sometimes the most beautiful journeys begin in the most unexpected ways. Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif kept their relationship under wraps for years, and when they finally made it official, it was nothing short of magical. In December 2021, they tied the knot in a stunning, intimate ceremony in Rajasthan, leaving fans and the media in awe. Their journey from friends to soulmates has been filled with moments of joy, support, and undeniable chemistry. Now, as they embrace life together, their story is one of love, happiness, and new beginnings. And that's a wrap on some of Bollywood's most iconic love stories. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Mobile Masala.